before I get into the video, service announcement, it's 20 degrees. Can you see that? Can you? It's cold. And I picked up a $700 foil today. That makes 2 we got here on the channel. We need to go through and put in something. So I sold the fender on this square body, this driver's side OEM fender. I gotta take it off and deliver it. You know, it's a local sale. I sell on eBay in case you didn't know. If you're new, just check the description below for a link. But I'm going to show you on today's video how to remove this chrome bezel here on the side. Not 100% how, but we'll figure it out together. I removed one of these maybe when I was about 20 years old, maybe, because I had a C10 with this style front end. Now I got the square body, the 81 and up front end with the double headlights. You know, so I'm not sure how it comes off. Looks like we need some square star bits, whatever they called, and you get to find out how to take these off too with me together, because if I break mine, it saves you from breaking yours. The size is T15. Now some people might have changed these and they might be a different size on yours, but mine is a T15, and they could be rusty. These don't look like a rusty, so that's a good thing. So set them somewhere you won't lose them. I'm gonna lose that, you wait and see. We got a bolt there. Here's one. Let's see, don't see none down here. Oh, got one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So looks like a 5 in it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the 5 bolts I showed you. We see if it pulls out. Okay, all the 5 screws is out. One's still kind of in it, the bottom one. Oh, it pulls straight out. This is heavier than I thought it would be. That's the other bolt. It's got some good weight to it. OEM for your factory. I don't know what this would be worth on eBay. I mean, I'd rather have an OEM bezel than a new one. So when I go list it, I guess I have to do some research. I guess I can sell these bolts separate. Somebody might need the bolts. Sometimes little screws and stuff like this is hard to find. I don't know. I might list them on and see if anybody wants them. If not, you know, might include them with that bezel. Don't know yet. I broke a piece of glass here the other day. I forgot about that. I'm stepping all in it with my new shoes. Marker light. We can get the marker light out now. I guess it's 2 bolts. One here. Oh, I use special bolts. Them's definitely a item for eBay. Never know when you're gonna need specialty bolts and you can't find the right ones through the hardware store, and you know, sometimes in catalogs and stuff they don't offer certain bolts when they need a shaft and stuff on them a certain way. Let's see what we do now. Down with the bolt. If it hit the ground, can't sell it if we can't find it. Oh, getting old and cold. Okay, that takes this off. Just the lens. Okay. These 2 here. Okay, we got, what's that, a 8? Maybe a 10. That wouldn't be metric on this, would it? It's a 70s. Be standard. Will this work out? It will not. What size? It looks like this size. It's a little loose, but I think it'll work. Oh, that wasn't tight at all. Hell yeah. So it looks like just 2 bolts hold this in now. I'll probably include the screws with this. sometimes you're restoring these old trucks and stuff. You know, it's hard to get a hold of screws, and well, just as a common thread, it's easy to just go to your hardware store and get this. And now the lens screw, you probably couldn't do it. Even the bulb looks good on this. By the way, this truck, if you're new to the channel, yeah, it's 75,000 original miles. Now, I'm definitely not cutting the wiring harness, because I will say it'll act complete. So that's this lens, complete. We took out that bezel. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm cutting this in short so I can show people how to remove the bezel and lens if they need to. I'm making a longer video in detail, which will be the start of this video, and continuing will be uploaded separate. How to remove all this trim and bezels, you know, the grill and everything. So if you need to know that, check my channel out. That video should be uploaded the next day after this one, or the day after. Yeah, it's usually how I do it. I try to upload daily. Sometimes I miss that, but thanks for watching.